if you own a 2017 to 2019 Honda CR-V with the 1.5-liter turbo engine, there's something you need to check right now, today. Test 10. There's a known defect in these engines that Honda quietly tried to fix but didn't tell most owners about. If you don't catch it early, you're looking at a $2,000 to $6,000 engine repair. I'm going to show you exactly what to check in 5 minutes and what to do if you find the problem. Plus, there's a warranty extension Honda issued that your dealership probably never mentioned. You might be covered and not even know it. This is True Cost Auto, and today we're talking about the Honda CR-V oil dilution problem that's destroying engines. Here's what's happening. The 2017 to 2019 Honda CR-V with the 1.5-liter turbo has a fuel dilution problem. In cold weather, gasoline gets past the piston rings and mixes with your engine oil, enough that owners notice their oil level actually rising between changes. This is catastrophic. Gasoline thins your oil and breaks down its protective properties. Your engine runs on contaminated oil that can't properly lubricate. Parts wear down, piston rings fail, cylinder walls get scored, engine failure, warning signs, oil smells like gasoline, oil level rises between changes, rough idling in cold weather, or nothing until it's too late. Honda knew about this by 2017. They issued Service Bulletin 17070 and released a software update, but most owners never got it. And for many, it didn't completely fix the problem. By 2020, class action lawsuits, thousands of complaints. Honda quietly extended the warranty to 6 years unlimited miles for certain model years, but no recall, no letters. If you don't ask, they don't tell you. Thousands of CR-V owners are driving with gasoline destroying their oil right now. Here's how to check. 5 minutes, just need a paper towel. Step 1. Engine cold. Haven't run it for a few hours. Overnight is best. Step 2. Find your dipstick. Passenger side of engine bay. Yellow or orange handle. Step 3. Pull it out, wipe it clean. Step 4. Reinsert fully, pull it out again. Look at the oil level. Should be between minimum and maximum marks. Red flag. Is oil above the maximum mark? If oil is higher than max and you haven't added any since your last change, that extra volume is gasoline. Step 5. Smell the dipstick. Engine oil smells like petroleum. Gasoline smells sharp and volatile. If your oil smells like gasoline, you have fuel dilution. Step 6. Check the oil on paper towel. Normal oil is thick, amber, or dark brown. If it's thin, runny, spreads quickly like water, that's diluted oil. Step 7. Document everything. Date, mileage, oil level, smell. Take a photo of the dipstick. If you find high oil level, gasoline smell, or thin oil, take action immediately. Why this happens? Quick explanation. The 1.5-liter turbo uses direct fuel injection. In cold weather, fuel doesn't vaporize well during startup. Some stays liquid and washes down cylinder walls instead of burning. Honda's 2017 to 2019 calibration was too aggressive with cold start fuel delivery. Excess fuel washed past piston rings into the crankcase, mixing with oil. Short trips make it worse. 5 to 10 minute drives. Your engine never gets hot enough to burn off the contaminated oil. Gasoline accumulates. Honda's software fix reduced cold start fuel and runs the engine hotter. Worked for some, not for others. Highest risk, cold climates, below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, short trips, under 10 minutes, 2017 to 2019 CR-V models. The cost, caught early, under warranty, free, oil change, software update, monitoring, $0 caught late, under warranty, engine rebuild or replacement covered. You pay for rental car and time, engine repair covered. Caught late, out of warranty, engine rebuild $2,000 to $4,000. Full replacement $6,000. You pay everything, ignored completely. Engine destroyed at 60,000 to 70,000 miles, total loss $6,000 to $10,000. or scrap the car. Avoidable if you check your oil. What to do if you find it. Found fuel dilution. Here's what to do. Step 1. Change your oil immediately, even if you just changed it. Get contaminated oil out now. Step 2. Call your Honda dealership. Say, I own a say-your-year CR-V with 1.5-liter turbo. Has Service Bulletin 17-070 been applied to my VIN? If not, schedule the free software update. Step 3. Ask about warranty extension. Is my vehicle covered under Honda's engine block warranty extension for fuel dilution? Honda's extended warranty, 2017 to 2018 CR-V. 6 years, unlimited miles from the original purchase date, 2019 CR-V. Some covered depending on production date. Covers engine damage from fuel dilution. Transfers to new owners to verify. Call Honda customer service 1-800-999-1009 with your VIN. Step 4. Check oil weekly. Look for stable level. No gasoline smell. If it comes back, document and return to dealer. Step 5. Change oil every 3,000 miles. Shorter intervals are safer. Use full synthetic 0W-20. Step 6. Keep all records. Photos, receipts, service records. You'll need proof for warranty claims. Step 7. Drive longer trips when possible. 20 minutes minimum to get engine fully hot and burn off contamination. Who's affected? Most affected, 2017 to 2019. Honda CR-V with 1.5-liter turbo, 2018 is worst. Some risk 2016 CR-V with 1.5-liter turbo, 2020 CR-V with 1.5-liter turbo, improved but not immune, not affected. 2015 to 2016 CR-V with 2.4-liter non-turbo engine later models, 2021 and up CR-V, significantly improved. Geographic risk, cold states, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Michigan, Ohio, Illinois. Driving risk, short trips under 10 minutes, city driving, cold starts, action plan. If you own 2017 to 2019 CR-V today, check oil level and smell. Take photo of dipstick. Call Honda customer service 1-800-999-1009. Verify warranty coverage. Write down warranty expiration date. This week, call Honda dealership. Ask if Service Bulletin 17-070 applied. Schedule software update if needed. Free. Every week, check oil level, look for rising level, or gasoline smell. Document findings every 3,000 miles. Change oil. Use synthetic 0W-20. Keep receipts. If you find fuel dilution, change oil immediately. Take to dealer with documentation. Get software update. Have them noted in service records. Monitor weekly. If you own 2016 or 2020 CR-V, check oil monthly. If rising or smelling like gas, follow the action plan above. The 2017 to 2019 Honda CR-V with 1.5-liter turbo has a known fuel dilution problem that destroys engines. Honda released a software fix, but didn't notify all owners. They extended warranties for some model years, but only if you ask. If you don't check your oil, you won't know until it's too late. Out of warranty, you're paying $2,000 to $6,000. But if you check oil weekly, get the software update, verify warranty coverage, and act at first sign of trouble, you save your engine. 5 minutes checking oil every week saves thousands. In the description, Honda Service Bulletin info, warranty extension details, customer service number, owner checklist, and NHTSA complaint database link. Subscribe for weekly videos on specific car problems, how to catch them early, and how to avoid expensive repairs. If you've dealt with CR-V fuel dilution, covered by Honda, or paid out of pocket, comment your story, help other owners. This is True Cost Auto. Check your oil, save your engine. See you in the next one.